Hello, this is Shalini Mishra. We are having Alpha Tech courses from almost 2 weeks and it's really amazing. The teachers are so friendly. They brush up all the topics from the basics. Even if you don't know anything, it's okay. You can still learn everything from Alpha Tech. The classes were really amazing. Teachers were so friendly. They were teaching with the PPTs, online, offline, everything. It was good, and we regularly had the break hours from which we never got bored. It was good. All the break hours and that was provided between the classes that kept us refreshing every time. And of course, the teachers are really amazing. As I told, even if you don't know anything, you can start and you can just learn everything. They brush up all the topics, not just like the headlines, but in detail, everything will be taught. And yeah, the soft skill classes, hard skill classes, soft skill classes, everything are good. I'm so happy that I thank you all for it.